The first step in crafting the life you want is getting rid of everything you don't. Joshua Becker. Ever since I have read this quote, um, the first time I read this quote was a long time back, I started realizing how accurate it is. Through the course of our life, we have always been taught to get more and more, to get more marks, to get a higher salary, to get more stuff into our house, to get more food, to get more kinds of gadgets, everything more and more. But only after getting more, I actually realized that these things do not give you happiness, because when you get things more and more, you stop valuing them. If you have a scarcity of something, you value it more, but the moment you start getting something very easily, or you start getting something a lot often, you stop getting the importance of that thing. I had so many things which I did not want in the first place, but I just bought them out of curiosity or maybe some kind of societal pressure. So in this video, I want to talk about things that you should get rid of, specifically how to get rid of these things and where are these things which you should get rid of. So the first place where you should start getting rid of things is the place where you spend the most amount of time. Now think about it, which is that place where you spend the most amount of time? If you think about it deeply, you will realize that your bed is the place where you spend the most time. Around 7 to 8 hours of your day you spend on your bed. Obviously, you spend a lot of time in work also, but I am talking about a single place. So, when it comes to your bed, when it comes to the place where you sleep, you should make sure that the area around your bed is well and tidy, and it does not take a lot of time before getting into bed to do this, because once you wake up, you see the environment around you, and if it feels like cleaner, if it feels set, then you have a good start to the day. The next place where you should think about getting rid of things very, very slowly is your workplace. So if you have a very crowded workplace, if you have place where you have things on your table lying around here and there, even if you don't need them, they are just there, you should get rid of them. Not necessarily just throw them away, because you might need them in the future because it's work related, but you need to keep them away from your eyesight so that you can just focus on your work, because this is something very important. It brings livelihood to you, it provides you with the resources to live your life, so you need to take it seriously and get rid of unnecessary distractions. The next place where you should get rid of things is where you store, because storage spaces, the almiras, the shelves, and wherever you store things, these are often crowded with things you don't need, which you bought from the market on impulse, but you did not need them. Now, if they take up space in your storage, what happens is that you do not have space for things which are actually necessary. So you feel that you need to buy more storage when actually you need to get rid of things to make space for other things. The last place where you want to get rid of stuff is digital places. For example, your mobile phone or your PC or your laptop. Getting rid of apps, getting rid of unnecessary apps, unnecessary photos, even social media, getting rid of unnecessary people who you follow on Instagram. Specifically, if I talk about social media, I don't follow people who do not provide me with any kind of return or any kind of if I don't gain anything from them. Now, I'm not talking about friends or family. These are people who are close to you. Obviously, you won't think about benefit with these people, but think about celebrities or sports persons. If you follow them just for the sake of it, or because millions of others have followed, I don't think that is right. If you are receiving something from them, maybe some kind of inspiration or maybe some kind of ideas, if you're receiving, then that's a different thing. But they are receiving a lot from you. They're gaining popularity, they are getting so many different ads, so many different contracts, so much popularity because of you. So if you don't receive anything from them, I don't think there is any point in following celebrities. So think twice before that. So these are four places where you can get rid of things, not only materialistic things, but also things which are digital. So think about these things and think what is what are the things you can get rid of from these places. You don't need to do it all at once. You can do it step by step, a little bit every week or every month, and you will find out that it has a lot of impact, lot of positive impact on your daily life and the way you feel about yourself. That's all I had for this video. I hope you found something useful from it. If you found something useful, please press the like button. And that's all I had for today. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.